All right. Hello, trader nerds. Welcome to an ecliptical Monday where everybody's all upset about the eclipse, and I don't see any issue with it whatsoever. Let's look at what the market's doing today on the eclipse. We are up $3.50. Everybody's waiting to see, is this the big one, Elizabeth? I'm coming to join you, honey. I don't think so. I think it's just a regular old day. So look at this. So nobody's trading. Everybody's looking for the eclipse. Nobody's trading. Everything is really, really slow. What do they say? Don't short a dull market. So don't go short today. We may take off. We just never know. Let's look at our big green monster. Big green monster is doing what it's supposed to do, hanging out, and we are fairly priced. So we anticipate going between here and here this week. Looks like we got a lot of force that could be dragging us to the downside today. So we'll see. And then let's look at our expected move for the week. Expected move is a little bit down. So we went up, up, up. Now we're going down a little bit. So we expect to down move a little bit from here. As far as the boundaries of the high and the low. So everything looks really good. Let's look at the linear regression, see what it says. Yeah, so we're about bottomed out here. So we would anticipate a move back to the upside to kind of get the channel going again. So we'll see what happens. We've got conflicting data. So what do we do when we got conflicting data? We do what we always do. We trade, baby. So let's look at the tiny account. Let's see, I got a little tiny account today. Let's see how much money we got in this account. Hold on a second. It's not much. Let's see. It's only like 7,000 or something. Let's see what we've got in this account. Not that one, not that one, not that one, not that one. Here we go. 7,020, 25. 7,020, 25. So let's put that in. 7,020, 25. And most of that we lost here was in slippage. We took out 1,000. So we had slippage when we took everything from Thinkorswim to this account. So no big deal. 4,824. We had some slippage. So we're down a little bit in this account. Now this is a small account. So let's look at our Greeks ratios. So we only got one trade on. We got 5 deltas and 3 thetas. 5 and 3. So 5 and 3. And the VIX is at, see what the VIX was at. VIX is at 15. And how much buying power are we using? Not a lot, because we just got one trade on. So we've only got $443, which means we can put a trade on, baby. So let's do that. Let's go. We don't have but the one trade on now. So we'll do a PDS2 and an NP2. So let's see. Micros, of course, in this small account. So we'll do a 111. And we'll do a 1 put debit spread. 1 put debit spread. So we'll call these NP2 and PDS2. All right, let's go see what we got to trade today. So let's see. Go to trade. We'll go to micros. There we go. So we're going to go 120 days. So looks like we can go 130 days. And we'll go to the 10% probability being in the money, which is 4,600 at 34.50. See if we can get filled. Nope. Doesn't hurt to try. Let's see, fix this. So to show the stuff, they need to fix that bug, don't they? Go 34.25. Nothing. Let's go to 34. The 4,600. And we are filled at 34. 4,600 at 34. 4,600 at 34. And 343. How about 34? And let's see, that's a put and a naked and 130. And today is the 8th, my sister's birthday. And let's go Get the right broker, Bobby. Let's see. So we want to go to about a 25 delta. So about this 50, 5,000. 950. Let's see. Let's try it. Got to work it up a little bit. Replace 935, 940, 945. Nothing. Come on, baby. Fill me. Come on. It's okay. I got nothing but time. How y'all doing today? Everybody good? Don't look at that sun now. I'm going to be in a doctor's appointment when that thing's happening. There we go. So we got filled at 960. So the 50-50 for 960. 50-50 for 960. Let's put that in. 50-50. 5,000 for 960. All right. Puts. Debit spread 130 for 824. So let's go put them in their groups so we can keep everything grouped together. So let's go to positions, MES. So we got the naked put 2, group positions, MP2, and then PDS2. PDS2. Good. Well, let's do a little teaching while we're here. Make sure we understand what the plan is. So we always do it. So the plan, as you guys already know, is we got a 5-step plan, right? We sell options at a high percentage of probability of profit, high, right? We allow theta decay. That means the option decays and gives us profits into our account. 4, this is where we spend most of our time, is we manage chaos. And then finally, the fun part is rinse and repeat. And you got to understand about options decay, right? Options decay, let's show what it looks like. Options decay in this account is theta of 5. So that means that every day this option is decaying by $5. Now, it's not linear. So some days it may be 4, some days it may be 3, some days it may be 6, some days it may be negative something, right? But generally, the option's giving us $5 a day in profit. And the option that we sold that was the size of an apple eventually turns into the size of a raisin, right? And that's where we buy it back. If price moves against our option, this thing swells up the size of a grapefruit. Sometimes it rises up the size of a cantaloupe. Sometimes it could size up the size of a watermelon. But what we're banking on is that implied volatility is less than or is higher than actual volatility. That's what we're banking on. That implied volatility
The totality
is higher.
120, 140. Okay,
It's higher. Somebody's talking. Let's see. Hold on a second. Mute everybody. There we go. All right. Implied volatility is higher than actual volatility. That's why we're able to sell something that's the size of an apple when it should be the size of a grape. All right. It's the size of a grape. And eventually it becomes a raisin. That's what we're banking on. And each one of our trades has a 90% probability of profit or greater. I love that. All right, guys, I'm going to the doctor's office. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see y'all on tomorrow. Bye, y'all.